Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on what's been a busy weather day. Of course, had some freezing rain early this morning and just mainly a plain rain throughout the afternoon. It'll be ending this evening, but want to jump ahead to Friday, specifically Friday morning. And we've been talking about this now for the last couple of days. It's still in the forecast with some snow. And now a winter storm watch has been issued for late Thursday night, meaning after midnight through Friday morning up until about noontime. Watch meaning that there is potential for several inches of snow for the Friday morning commute, and we'll talk about those numbers in more detail in just a second. Let me give you kind of the breakdown on the timeline for Friday. I do expect the snow to arrive pre-dawn. It should start after 3 a.m. while most of us are sleeping. So by the time you wake up daybreak Friday morning, it's already slippery with some snow on the ground. I do expect the steadiest snow early Friday morning from roughly 4 a.m. till about, say, 8 or 9 a.m. So it's obviously bad timing for the morning commute. I do expect a slow Friday morning commute. It's a fast-moving system, so it is ending from west to east between roughly 1 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. In fact, we're clearing out by Friday evening, Friday night, windy and colder. And we'll get back to Friday's forecast in just a second. Take a peek outside under a very mild day today, despite some black ice early this morning. Southerly winds boosting the temperatures up into the low 50s. We're looking at Providence as of about 3:30 in the afternoon, still tracking some lingering rain showers. So our threat tracker tonight through Thursday is low. In fact, Thursday looks like a decent day. Then obviously we're bumping things up on Friday, pinpoint weather alert with morning snow. We're still going with our initial base forecast of about 3 to 5 inches. And what we'll do is we'll work from there. So that's still the forecast that's in play right now. But obviously we have all of tonight and all of tomorrow to see if that has to be tweaked up or down, maybe an inch or two on either side. But we're thinking a general 3 to 5 inches. And the reason why it won't be any more than that, we feel, is though this is going to be a fast-moving system. It's not one of those storms. We can get storms that stick around for 12 to 18 hours. This is a fairly quick mover. In fact, by Friday afternoon and evening, it is actually clearing out and drying out. So you see on the satellite and radar composite, the rain that's overhead right now. Give it several more hours and it'll be out of here. It'll set up for some decent weather on Thursday. Here's the wider view, and we're going to be watching right across the deep south in here for a developing storm that'll track north and east off our coastline late Thursday night and into Friday morning. Now, even though it's very mild right now, you draw your attention to this colder air across the northern plains, and this is some of the colder air that'll seep in later tonight into Thursday and Friday. This should be cold enough to support a mainly snow situation on Friday. In fact, usually we get, these storms to form along the boundary between cold and warm. And you can see that right in here. So this is where our storm will be forming. So let's take it into the future. And we'll take you through, and you can see that system developing across the deep south. And there it is off our coastline. This is about 5 in the morning, and you can see the storm is offshore right about here, and that blue is a shield of snow. So it's starting early on Friday morning, just before daybreak. The exact location of the storm off the coastline will dictate just how much snow falls. But feel as though it's close enough to give us a shield of moderate snow. Here we are at about 9 in the morning, still snowing. But watch how rapidly this is pulling away. Skies are clearing out by late day and early on Friday evening. So for tonight, there are no weather issues. It is dry under cloudy skies. Initially, the showers will be ending and then clearing towards daybreak. I think that by certainly 8 o'clock this evening, the showers will be gone. For your Thursday morning, we are looking good. It's sunny, cool, and dry. It's a quiet weather day by 11 a.m., 40. Gives our weather team a whole nother day on Thursday to be, analyzing new data coming in, and we'll certainly tweak the numbers a little bit as to how Friday morning plays out. But Thursday afternoon is looking fine as well. Sunshine, cool and dry. Whoa, look at those precipitation chances. How did that get in there? No, zero, big zero for the precipitation chances on Thursday. We got like 80, 80, 70. I forgot to update that. So that's 0%. Bottom line, it's a sunny, dry, and cool day. All right. Jump now, very late Thursday night after midnight, and here's the deal when you're stepping out the door on early Friday morning, and there you go, slippery travel, the temperature's cold enough to support snow, and the initial call right now statewide is a general 3 to 5 inches. And again, check back with us to see if we have to maybe add an extra inch either up or down to that general base number that we're going with. That would really be the season's first somewhat significant snowfall. I mean, we've had a couple of 1-2 inch snowfalls so far, but this is a little more significant and certainly high impact, unfortunately, for the morning commute. I mean, the timing on these makes all the difference. You take 3 to 5 inches at 2 in the morning, it's not a big deal. But when you have this ongoing at 7 a.m. on a Friday morning during the height of the morning rush, it is certainly impactful. So rain that we have right now ending shortly, a decent Thursday, and then the snow late Thursday night after midnight into Friday morning, drying out Friday afternoon and Friday evening, and sets up for cold, dry weather on Saturday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.